bug. Oh, there's a spider. Ew, a spider. Oh, hang out here. Can I hang a spider up?
No, let him crawl away.
Oh,
He does good outside.
very good. Come on.
He catches other bugs and eats them.
Catches centipedes. But he's a poisonous spider. He's not me.
He might be poisonous, we don't know. But you just don't play with him.
Whoa. They're not poisonous. Room and garbage. Your little roly-poly, he's just a little baby. Probably he'll get poisoned by centipedes. It bites you, you get some poison bite, and then it stops your immune system. And you drop it.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want to pick up a centipede. You're tracking centipede.
See, he looks good in those shoes.
Yeah.
They're just barely too big for him. But because you can lace him up, they actually stay on really well.
Well, good.
Probably because centipede even deeper. Or hide.
Ah!
I like to be down here in the pond. And I find so many creatures. Whoa. Look at this worm. Look how big it is. Look how big this worm is.
Instead of throwing back in the bamboo, there's some crawl down the dirt. Because we're not going to be digging on that side.
Oh, there's a snail.
A snail?
Uh-huh.
He's got a worm.
Oh yeah, that's a worm. Good job.
You got a worm?
You found one and he gave it to me. Good job.